Welcome back to Barnes Basics. This is Darrell Barnes, and I wanted to go through the different kinds of chemical reactions and do some representative word problems. It's a little bit more advanced than what we've been doing so far. Iron and sulfur combine to form iron 2 sulfide. When we say iron and sulfur, we're talking about elements in their elemental form, and so they're going to automatically have an oxidation number of 0 when we write them down. So if we look at a periodic chart for iron, iron is Fe. We're going to say that it's neutral. And sulfur is also neutral in its elemental form. Combining means that they join together, so we're going to put a yield sign here to form iron 2 sulfide. We write iron, but this number tells us that the oxidation number of iron is +2. There are a couple of oxidation numbers that are pretty common for iron, +2 and +3. And when we see the word sulfide, it automatically indicates that it is bound to something. When it is bound to something, we look on the oxidation number chart, and it's in group 6A, so it loves to receive 2 electrons to become happy. Iron is willing to give away 2 electrons. So one of the things that we see in this equation is that we see iron going from a 0 to a +2 oxidation number. It loses 2 electrons. So we would say that iron has been oxidized. Because sulfur has gained 2 electrons, it's gone from neutral to 2 electrons, we say that it has been reduced. This is neutral, this is neutral. We have a neutral compound here. I see 1 iron, 1 sulfur, and this is a balanced chemical equation. There's really not a whole lot more to do with this one. This one was more difficult in the interpretation of the words, I think. That is a composition reaction, 2 things combining to form one other compound. In this one, you could say A plus B makes AB. That would be a good way to take a look at that one. You might say A plus B yields AB. It's pretty clear how that works.